In today's video, we're working on this 2021 VW Golf 8R and retrofitting the genuine folding wing mirrors. Good morning guys, I hope you're all keeping well. Today, as I said, we're working on this 2021 brand new VW Golf 8R. Hasn't done very many miles, but if you're in the know, you will know that the Golf 8Rs don't come with folding wing mirrors, and you can't spec it at factory order at the moment. So we're having to retrofit them. It's something that we've been doing quite a lot of, but we haven't really had a chance to film a video of it. So I wanted to show you the before and the after, to show you what we're working with at the moment and then what we moved to. So at the moment, Richard is currently taking the doors off the vehicle so that we can gain access to the wing mirrors and take them off. And as you can see, just normal push-in mirror bases. So no motors, no nothing in there. And on the inside, hopefully this will just let me turn it off. No, it won't. But there you go, switch with no folding element as part of it. Let's just shut this. Computer's just doing a scan and an ad map scan so that we've got a record and a profile of this vehicle, so that if anything happens, we can always go back to how it was. So yeah, so what we're going to be doing is we take the door cards off, we take the bases of the mirrors off, we retain the mirror cap and the glass because there's no point paying for new ones when the current ones are all perfectly fine. We then do all our coding and adaptations on the vehicle so that the fold on lock works, the switch works, and then you get the little toggle on the screen MMI system as well. Now with the new Golf 8s, there's this new security protocol which is called SFD protocol, and what this basically means is you can't just plug in VCDS, do the coding, and away you go. You have to have access to Otis, the proper genuine online version, so that you can unlock the control modules before you then start doing your coding. So your normal retrofitter with VCDS or Carista or OBD11 won't be able to retrofit this because of this online token that you have to access or get before you do anything. So bear that in mind. So we'll do the work, we'll come on back and we'll show you how it all works. Welcome back guys. Right, we're all done. As you can see, both the mirrors are currently folded in because the vehicle is locked. Now, this one's a little bit different with how the lock and unlock works. On the older models, it used to be where you'd lock it, the mirrors would go up, which is what this vehicle does. But when you unlocked it, the mirrors wouldn't actually fold out until the ignition goes live. But on this one, we've done it exactly how the Golf 8s are meant to, with all the coding, the SFD and the adaptations. But this one actually unlocks when you do the unlock. So they fold out. So give it a couple of seconds. And there you go, and that's it. We'll lock it. They go back up and again. And because this one has got keyless entry, which if your vehicle has, then it will also do this. But if you don't have keyless entry, it won't, but I'll show it to you anyway. Is the vehicle's locked at the moment, but if I just do that, it unlocks and the mirrors automatically fold out, which is quite nice little convenience function there. So just jumping in. We've got a new switch here which has got the fold option on it, so if I do it now, oh, ignition's not on, that's why it's not doing it. So I'll just get in actually and put the ignition on, let it fire up all the displays. So here's the switch down here. If I just fold it, there you go, in like so, fold it back up. And there you go, nice and easy. And just so that you can show that we've done it all properly, if you go to the vehicle system, go to vehicle, hopefully you can see this through the video, wait for the vehicle to load up, or the profile to load up, and it will give us all our different options. So we're currently under exterior, we've got comfort light, tires, headlights, mirrors, all that sort of stuff. Hit mirrors, and you've now got this function, fold in when locking. You can either have it on or you can have it off, depending on what you prefer and how you want your system to work. So this has all been updated to the vehicle. We've used Otis to activate it all. So yeah, now all the genuine mirrors have been fitted. So all we've done is new switch, new mirrors, we've retained the top cap, we've retained the glass, we've done all the wiring into the door modules down here, fitted the switch, coded the vehicle to give us that fold and unfold unlock function, and that's it. So if you've got a Volkswagen Golf 8, it seems to typically be the R's that we're getting inquiries for, but I know it does it on the Styles and the Lifes and stuff like that. Then get in touch, we're always happy to help. If you've enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video, it really does help us out. And if you need any help, then just give us a shout, we'll be happy to help. Cheers.